Hi there, welcome to my video where we will discuss free tips to monetize YouTube without 1,000 subscribers using affiliate marketing in 2021. Now in a moment, I'm going to show you how you can utilize organic traffic to put yourself right in front of your ideal target customer. But before that, let's get into the video. Now, when it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel, the typical way people perceive that process is Google AdSense, joining the YouTube partnership program. The problem is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to do that. And how much you get paid out depends on the type of niche your channel is about. So financial niches tend to do great, but there are other niches that might not necessarily pay a higher CPM, but the more views you get, the better. So essentially, prank videos, they may not get as much CPMs, which is cost per thousand, right? So how much they pay you out every 1,000. But the fact that they're able to go viral much quicker means that it makes up for it in numbers. So you're more likely going to get 1 million views on a prank video than you are going to get on a financial video. But that you have to consider all of these factors when deciding what niche to go into. But the fact of the matter is, Google AdSense may take a while depending on what your channel is about. But I believe there's a better way to monetize your channel. Affiliate marketing gives us so many opportunities, and I think we should go into these free tips that can really help you earn some money without waiting a long period of time for your channel to be monetized. So what are the free tips? Well, number one, for those who are using affiliate marketing, I believe launch jacking is great. Launch jacking is basically promoting products right before they're about to be launched into the market. So why is this exciting? Basically, these products are brand new. They've got a lot of marketing dollars pushed behind it because they want people to know about this product. You get to join in and get in on the hype. So if you do a video and you place it in front of the right viewers, they can then turn around and purchase, and you get a commission because you have brought them this information first. This is great because you get a chance to place your video right in front of the right people and you get to cash in on this new product. So where do you find these products at? So we're going to head over to a website called Monetize. Now, monetize.com, this is where you're going to find some of the best product launches on the market. So you'd come here and you'd figure out, okay, what looks good to me, how much they're paying. So essentially, for this one, they're paying $27 at 50%, right? So you're getting half of the total value of the product. But maybe you're looking for something that pays a bit more. The Fearless Method Pro, Factual, that's $47. But you can keep on looking through here. On the left-hand side is the big launches. So these are the ones that normally come from people that have a bit of a reputation. So it's reliable. They generally launch quite frequently, maybe, or they've had big products in the past. So a lot of people will be looking to see what works for them here. So you just got to find a product that maybe pays more or that speaks to your specific niche. So, okay, this is $67 at 50%. So this is $67 at 50% and it's a software launch, right? So you would come over here and it would give you more details. It would tell you when it's launching, you can add it to your Google Calendar or your Outlook. So the launch date is August 19th. So this is pretty good. And you can see who the vendor is. And you know that the network that's going to be launching it is through JVZoo. So you'd go ahead to JVZoo, sign up, get you an account, and then request to promote their product. Now, if you're a new affiliate and you haven't got any sales history, they might give you a bit of a hard time. Don't worry. Just keep on going back and applying to as many of these as possible until one person says yes, and then you launch jack that. So now you've got the product that you are going to launch. Right? You're going to make a video around this product, reviewing it, talking about it, maybe talking about price, features, whatever it is. And also, when you apply to these people, ask for review access. They might turn you down, but might not. I say that because it's always better giving a review of a product that you actually have used yourself or have access to. So either you make a purchase of the product and review it, or ask for review access. Either one will be really good. So now that you've got your product that you're going to promote, you've got the date that it's going to launch, and you're creating your video, what you want to consider next is offering your viewers bonuses. Now, why are you going to offer your viewers bonuses? Well, the fact of the matter is, there are going to be quite a few people doing the same thing that you're doing. So you want to incentivize your audience or your viewers to purchase that same product through your affiliate link. And how you do that is giving a more attractive offer in terms of bonuses. So you look at what the product does and think about what could you offer your audience that would complement the product that you're promoting. So if it's a software dealing with social media, then maybe your audience is looking for things around traffic or how to monetize better. So here's what you do. If you don't have bonuses that you've created yourself because maybe you're a newbie, you don't quite know the industry yet, I would head over to a PLR content site. And some of the ones I recommend would be idplr.com. And the reason I say this is because you get access to free products that you can use how you see fit, and you can definitely give away as a bonus. So you can get ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphics, templates. Why is this great? If you can put a package together of free stuff. So let's just type in affiliate marketing. Let's see what comes up. So now, if you've got a product that you're promoting and you say, hey, and by the way, guys, if you purchase through my affiliate link, I will give you the ultimate hustle, which will show you how to add thousands to your monthly income. And then I'll also give you internet marketing secrets. And you can just stack on and stack on, maybe no more than 5, I would recommend. But essentially what you're doing is you're value stacking, right? So they already think, wow, I'm getting this great product. But you've just sweetened the deal for me by offering me all these bonuses. And that's the key. You want to give bonuses that also make sense. So if it's in line with what you're promoting, by all means, go ahead. And you have access to some free products here, but there is a paid portion of sites like this. So if we head over to somewhere like PLR database, there's a marketplace, and under the marketplace, you've got all types of niches. As you can see, you got health, you got relationship, love, you got marketing, you got affiliate marketing. So if we clicked on affiliate marketing, you would see all types of offers, all types of products here. Some are video, some are just, PDFs, but you can mix and match and just put a nice package together, and that's your bonus. So now that you've done that, in terms of launch jacking, you're ready to go. Because in the video, you've explained what the product does, you've got your affiliate link below in the description, you're offering them a bonus, and now you've incentivized them to purchase through your link. So the number one tip to monetize your YouTube channel is to do launch jacking. This will help anybody get ahead because it's all free. Remember, it doesn't cost you to promote the product, and all you have to do is create awareness of the product that's coming out and incentivize people to buy through your link. Now, tip number 2 is physical product reviews. Now, this is quite good because you have a wide range of options here. Number 1, when you review a product such as electrical items, clothing, makeup, these are things people use every day in one form or shape, or these are things that they're looking to get hold of. So if it's the new iPhone and you've got an iPhone, you can review the iPhone and say, hey, this is the new gadget, this is the new features, look at the camera. If you like it, here's my affiliate link to Amazon. And that's why Amazon Associates is very cool, because everything is sold on Amazon. So you can definitely promote makeup, you can promote clothing, all sorts on Amazon, because they're going to be able to, number 1, have it in stock, and number 2, deliver. And the fact that you're promoting a product that's associated with Amazon makes it easier because people naturally trust Amazon. You're not sending them to a brand new site that they've never heard before. More than likely, people that are watching your video have an Amazon account or have used Amazon. This is why I would suggest using Amazon Affiliates program for those who are doing physical products, because you can really make some good money and you're more likely going to get people to click on your affiliate link. So you'd head over to Amazon Affiliates, which is called Amazon Associates program, right? So you would click here. So you'd click here on their Associates program, and then you would sign up. Once you sign up, they'll give you a dashboard full of affiliate links, and all you've got to do is take that affiliate link for the product, put it under your video, and tell people that they can find a product that you're reviewing in the description below. But if you don't want to use Amazon, there are multiple affiliate programs out there that you can use when it comes to physical products. So just ask the company, do you have an affiliate program that I can join to review your product? And more than likely, you will be able to get that. Now, the third tip is affiliate marketing digital products. Now, these are products such as courses and software. So you don't actually have a physical product here. Everything is accessible online. Now, this is great because it's instant access for most people, right? And depending on the product, you could be getting monthly reoccurring commissions. This is just wonderful because if you get enough of those, then you have a reliable income. You've got one customer, but they're paying you over and over and over again until they decide to cancel their subscription with that specific product, whether it's the course or the software. And you can get access to these places via networks such as ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus. They're going to provide you with so many products. It's up to you to promote what you think is in alignment with your audience. And this is where, as you grow, you're going to get to know your audience more intimately. So automatically, you're going to be able to spot what works. And once again, offer a bonus. Look around and see what your other competitors are doing. Other videos are doing. What are they offering their audience when it comes to this specific product? Can I find something that is similar or better than what they're offering? Can I sweeten the deal? Can I make them really want to buy through my affiliate link because I'm offering maybe double the value or an increased perceived value? This is where you're really going to be able to make money because you are giving pure value. You are over delivering. And when you over deliver to your audience are going to trust you more, build a know, like, and trust with you more. And that's when they're going to be loyal to your page, your channel, and your videos. But even though they may have watched your video, they may not be subscribed. And even if they're subscribed, you want to capture these people. You want them on an email list. You want direct contact with them. So this is why you're going to have an email capture page, right? This is known as an opt-in page and a capture page. This is where you send people before you send them off to your affiliate link. Why? Because you want them to go through a certain process. The process is going to be, they watch your video, they opt in, and then you send them to the sales page. Because once they opt in, they get added to your email list and you can send them emails forever until they unsubscribe. So now you've got this whole system put together. You've got free options and free tips on how you can monetize YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. You now want to supercharge the whole process, right? You want to get the viewers to your video. There's no good having a great video with great bonuses if you can't get people to watch them or you can't place it in front of the right audience. And this is where you want free Google ads. You want Google to show you love. You want Google to place you in front of your ideal customer so you can go ahead and maximize your earnings. And this is where you want to learn this little system. And there's a free training, which I'll link below, that you can check out at your leisure. No rush. It's free. It's going to be there for a while. So whenever you're ready, go have a look. I say that because it goes into more greater detail about this little funnel system you see right in front of you. This system, believe it or not, is getting 50% open rates in emails and 50% conversions in affiliate commissions. So if you do it the right way, which you can learn more about in the link below or pinned to the top of the comments, Google is going to show you love and place you on the front page, giving you a free billboard ad. So Google's once again going to show you love, right? And for this specific Build It All review product, there's 1,600 monthly viewers, and people who are paying these ads are paying $1.68 to be there per click. But Legit Marketing Reviews, he is getting a free billboard ad, and he's getting in front of 1,600 monthly visitors. Now, this is an affiliate product, right? He is going to get a paid commission if anybody buys through his link. And this is how powerful the system is, because he's not paying to be there, unlike others would be, which gives him an advantage. The same with this guy and the same with this guy. So the idea is for you to go ahead and keep on creating videos and getting these free billboard ads from Google without having to pay $1.6 per click. And that's how you're going to be able to make money on YouTube without being monetized, without the stress of waiting to get 1,000 subscribers, because this system alone is going to put you in a position to really, really rank. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification. And in the next video, we're going to talk about how to turn your passion into profits on YouTube in 2021.